Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Toyota Supra GR. This one's silver. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter inline-six twin turbo pushing out 382 horsepower and 368 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch forged aluminum wheels with Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires. Red Brembos, front and rear LED daytime running lights. Sports calibrated electric power steering. Active rear sports diff, active exhaust. A tungsten leather interior with a carbon fiber center console. GR Supra badging. Premium package with keyless entry. Blind spot assist. Power seats, memory seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Heads up display. Touchscreen media display. Navigation. Rear view backup camera with sensors. Hard keys for our media display. Dual climate controls. Heated seats. 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. Hard keys for our media display. Our sports button. This GR Supra has very low miles, 455 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GR Supra, check out feldmanimports.com.